Hi guys, thank you so much for such an awesome response that you're giving to the group in our mission to get healthy and also to lose weight, of course. And to the latest challenge in which you all have shown so much of interest, in which you want to lose anywhere between half a kilo to 1.5 kilos in a week's time by doing two very simple things in your existing diet. So first of all, I'd like to make it clear that it's a group challenge, guys. So few of you will probably lose a little more weight than others. It does not mean that you haven't done anything right or whatever. The idea is to get healthy, and each body is different. Let's say if you're 90 kilos, the results might be a little more to vis-a-vis somebody who's let's say a 60 kilo or a 65 kilos. So keep that in mind, and don't get disheartened about XYZ amount of kilos. The first thing that you need to do for this whole of 1 week is increase your water intake. Extremely important. There is absolutely no alternative to it, guys. So I have invested in something which is called as a fruit infuser bottle, in which I just infuse, so you can see this as an infuser. You can infuse coriander, mint, lemon, ginger, green apples, anything, mossmi, anything that you feel would probably give a little flavor to your water. You need to have a minimum of 4 liters water on a daily basis. There is absolutely no alternative to it. You need to have a minimum of 4 liters of water every day, which means, so this is about an 800 milliliter water bottle. You need to finish approximately 6 to 7 bottles before 6 o'clock. Extremely important before 6 o'clock. Why? Because after that, whatever water you're drinking is just going to give probably some bloating to your body, because your body is sort of not hydrated at that time. In case you feel thirsty after that, absolutely fine, go ahead and drink, but do not gulp it down. That for 1 week, and there's no alternative to that. Okay. The second very important thing is coming to your food. Now, take any 4 dinners which you're following or what you're eating in your diet. Take just 4 days, just 4 dinners. Okay, first I'll talk about somebody who eats eggs, and then I'll give a couple of options for vegetarians, because I'm a vegetarian myself. So let's say if you eat eggs, take 2 to 3 egg whites. Okay, include a lot of veggies to it. You can include all the seasonal veggies you get: onion, tomatoes, capsicum, red, green, zucchini, mushrooms, whatever veggies you get. You can make it like a healthy, big egg white, either egg white bhurji or like a big omelette or whatever, and toast 1 bread. Okay, it could be a white bread, it could be a brown bread, it really doesn't matter, but toast toast one any bread and eat it with that omelette or with egg bhurji or whatever you've created. Okay, that is all, and you need to finish it latest by 8:30 or 9. Do not further extend after 9 o'clock, because it's very important that you need to have at least 2 hours of a break before having a last meal and going off to sleep. After that, let's say if you want something to put in your body, you can definitely have a cup of green tea or jasmine tea, but really no calorie rich, like no dessert or anything after 9 o'clock. Okay, so follow that for 4 days in a week, and that is something which for somebody who takes egg. Now, for somebody who's a vegetarian like me, there are a couple of options that you can replace your existing dinner. Okay, you can make 1 full big bowl of grilled veggies. You can include all the veggies which I spoke about earlier, and have 1 toast of bread with it. Okay, you can include a little bit of oil. Half a teaspoon of oil or desi ghee will really not do any harm. It's very important for the oils also to go in our body. Okay, but extremely important to reduce the amount of roti or the grains that are actually going after 6 o'clock in our body. Okay, so make a grilled bowl of vegetable and have 1 toast. Alternatively, you can also make 1 stuffed chila of besan. Okay, and you can stuff all the veggies. Mind you, you just need to stuff that chila and not have any additional sabzi along with that. Okay, and you can have that chila. No dal chila for now, only besan chila which is stuffed. And third thing which you can probably have is make some paneer bhurji and have it with 1 toast. Now, paneer bhurji is a little tricky thing. You need to make it at home, very important, and you need to sort of make it with toned milk or skim. Big katori of paneer bhurji, in which 40% is paneer and 60% are veggies, and have it with 1 toast. You can also have green chutney along with it. Probably sometime later I will also talk of benefits, antioxidant benefits of green chutney, how important that is. but for now I can just say to add some flavor to it. No pickles, no nothing, but yes, you can definitely have some green chutney with it. So the options for vegetarians are paneer bhurji with one toast, or one chila, or a bowl of grilled veggies, with one toast. If you are already taking, probably just one roti or just one toast, you're already following something like that, try going carbs free by making one big bowl of, grilled veggies. You can have some dahi with it, there's no problem. Have like a small katori of dahi. Do not add extra salt or sugar in the dahi, but you can have sabzi and dahi, okay? Try following that. So you need to just replace 4 dinners of your week, and you need to have minimum 4 to 5 liters of water in a day. And see, obviously additional rules, all of us know we do not have to have any sweets, okay? So I don't really have to talk about the other don'ts really, because all of us sort of know. However, I will definitely not stop you in having a hearty lunch. Please go ahead, have a good lunch of dal, sabzi, roti, whatever you're having. Although it's always sort of better to sort of go legumes and pulses free when you're on a weight reducing diet, but probably I'll talk of that a little later, since this is a group challenge and we don't want to have too much of variation in our existing diet. So these are what the 2 tips that I want to give you. Somebody who really want like a dessert piece after your meal or whatever, do not have it after 2 o'clock. Have a very small piece of dark chocolate after your lunchtime, with your tea or something, and that will definitely satiate your dessert cravings. So these are the 2 simple things which I want you to follow, and I'm very, very sure you'll lose anywhere between half kg to 1.5 kg to up to 2 kilos, depending on how good or bad your existing habits are. Another thing that I want to add this challenge to a little interesting bit is that I want to I want to add a little giveaway to this whole challenge, in terms of whoever will be the biggest loser in this challenge, I will be sending out to you a small Let's Win Overweight gift as a reward or as a motivation to sort of move ahead in your journey. Okay, having said so, if you are participating in this challenge, you need to sort of write in the comment box that you are starting this challenge starting Thursday, and obviously so that I know that how many people are participating in this challenge. And if you want to participate in the giveaway, I will need one before, like your start weight photograph, okay? You can just click it with your phone when you weigh yourself, and your after weight photograph. So that way I'll get to know that how much weight you've lost in this 1 week. So this is what I want to say. All the very best to your journey. If I can do it, anybody can do it, believe me. Yes, it takes some hard work. It has definitely taken me time, but it is so worth it that y'all can see it for yourself, what I was a person last year and what I am right now. So all the very best, and share this video, like this video, comment this video, share it with your friends, do this challenge with your friends, so that maximum number of people can get benefited with it. All the very best. I hope a couple of you lose weight with it, and yes, do keep us updated with your progress when you go further ahead with this journey. Thank you so much. Bye.